Okay, the title now is accommodation. Wahyu, do you live in a house or an apartment?
Actually, I live on campus in a single room in House of Residence. Our first year students are encouraged to do that as they are close to the university. Next year, I plan to move in student digs in town. Given, tell me about where you live.
I live with my parents in the suburbs of Madrid. We only moved in recently. In fact, we had a house warming party just a few weeks ago. What kind of accommodation do most people live in your city, Wahyu?
In the city itself, the majority of people live in apartment blocks. That's what surprised me about England. Most people seem to live in terrace house with lovely back gardens. Part 2 still tax. I think most people when answering this question will say they like to live in a big decked house with spacious rooms, views of the countryside and so on, but actually my ideal home would be a lot different. As I always love the idea of having a mobile home, a really expression on with all the mod cons. So I could live whenever I wanted or at let's have a lot of holiday and be able to take all my home comforts with me whenever I travel. I realized with would have to be a second home as I need a basis, a permanent address, but the mobile home would be the accommodation. I didn't find it exciting to life. I suppose until I settle down and have children. I will want to get on the property ladder. It'd be like think my family would want to live in a mobile home, but I like to think I still kept that dream home in mind.
Is it
Okay,
better
given.
to... Yes, Wahyu.
Yes, I think both have their friends living in rich accommodation is not necessarily a bad thing. You don't have a hook debt like you do when you take out a mortgage, but I suppose the property market offers you an investment for the future. I am sure that's why most people prefer to own their own home, given what options are available to you couple looking for accommodation in your country.
If they want to buy their own home, it isn't easy for first-time buyers. Mortgages are hard to get, so most people live with their parents or in rented accommodation. But that can also be very expensive. You often have to pay rent in advance, and if the accommodation isn't fully furnished, you have the expense of buying furniture. Wahyu, what are some of the pleasures involved in making home for ourselves?
I am supposed to start with house hunting. Finding your ideal home, some people enjoy doing up an old property, giving a property that's old and third a new lease of life. Other like making whenever they life feel like home with some home comforts.
Okay, that's all from our video this week. Thank you for watching our video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.